right, everybody, got a beautiful day here. It's time to go for a cruise. Today it's the 1972 Chevrolet C10 Cheyenne Super trim package. So this one's got a few nice options that we'll go over. First one being air conditioning. That's from the factory and that is in working condition currently. We do have it on. It also does have power steering and it has power front disc brakes as well. So I think standard on the Cheyenne Super package was all this wood trim that you see here, including the door panels and the glove box door. It also has additional lights, I believe, and then the trim on the outside, as you guys all saw in the pull away shot. So this one's got the 350 under the hood. It's original 350, rated about 255 horsepower, and a automatic transmission. Now let's see what she's got. All right, and just like that, up to highway speeds, absolutely no problem. Pulling at 55 miles an hour, no issues at all. Accelerated really nice and smooth. It's a good running motor. Nice shifting transmission. Power steering works well. You can see how it tracks there. Pull just slightly to the right, but definitely within the right range, if you will. All the gauges are working: speedometer, gas gauge, battery, temperatures sitting nice, oil pressure is fantastic. See, all the turn signals light up. See if they do cancel as well. Yeah. And it did cancel. Yeah, pretty much the only thing that I saw that was not working on this is the radio. So with the exception of that, everything's in great shape. If you want to come test drive this truck yourself, you're more than welcome to do so. Just contact us. Joey or Eric in the sales department will be more than happy to arrange that for you. We're about 40-minute drive outside of O'Hare International Airport if you do need to fly in. And yeah, other than that, check out the pictures, full description, and all the details at volocars.com.